Anthropic just published the largest study of AI user sentiment we've seen. 81,000 interviews. Claude users across the globe. Structured interviews asking what people want from AI and what they're afraid of. 19% said they want AI to help them learn faster, understand deeper, get better at what they do. 14% personal transformation, using AI like a therapist, a companion, someone to think through problems with. 42% of all Claude conversations are now personal use, not work tasks. People are leaning into AI for life management, emotional clarity, decision-making. That's the optimism side. Now, the fears. 27% said unreliability. Hallucinations, confident wrong answers, the moment where AI just makes something up. 22% worried AI will replace them in the market. 22% becoming dependent on AI, losing the ability to think independently. Here's what makes this interesting. The same people ranking professional excellence at the top are also listing cognitive atrophy as their biggest fear. The ones using AI for personal transformation are worried about dependency. The solopreneurs scaling with AI think AI is going to replace them. It's not two different groups. It's the same people holding both thoughts at once. And this actually shows up in the behavioral data. Anthropic tracked how people collaborate with AI over time. Novices delegate. They ask AI to do the whole thing. Write the email, solve the problem, generate the output. They use AI to draft, then they edit. They ask for options, then they choose. They treat it like a sparring partner, not a replacement. Experienced users become more collaborative over time, not less, which suggests that cognitive atrophy isn't inevitable. It's a behavioral choice. The people who stay engaged, who critique, refine, and steer, they're building judgment. The ones who blindly delegate are outsourcing the skill that made them valuable. So the fear is rational, but it's also preventable. 3 core tensions showed up across the data: learning versus atrophy. People want AI to help them learn faster, but they're afraid of losing the ability to think deeply. And the data shows both are possible outcomes, and it depends on how you engage. The user who generates 10 headlines with AI and picks the best one. Training editorial judgment. Solopreneurs are using AI to scale, freelancers are using it to compete. And 22% are also convinced AI is going to make them obsolete. Both are rational. AI is leverage, it multiplies output. But leverage cuts both ways. If you're building capabilities with AI, you compound. If you're replacing capabilities, you're creating your own obsolescence. The question is whether you treat AI like a tool that amplifies your judgment or a replacement for it. Because the same 81,000 people are proving both paths exist. And the one you're on shows up in how you use it today.